Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. We are here today to do a Valentine's manicure. I received this package from Artsy Fartsy Nails with some, look at these hearts. Aren't these too cute? Too cute. So we're going to play with these today. We're going to use these on the nails. We're going to put a couple out. I don't know how many I'm going to use. We'll see as we go along. We're going to start with the pinky nail in a way. The color I'm using is Wedding Cake by Ideal Beauty number 22. So go check them out. I think they're on a 30 to 50% off sale. It's hard to say. There's always some kind of sale going on at Ideal Beauty. So I'm taking the She Modern Stencil Glue Gel and apply that liberally on, liberally on the nail. I got way too much out here. And we're going to have us a sugar nail. Everybody knows I like a sugar nail. So we're going to pop this in the lamp. Give that a 60-second cure. We're going to we're going to skip over here because I don't know what I'm doing where yet. I'm going to be using some heart sequins, maybe some lips. I've got some red bling out here. These are really, really pretty. Look at the sparkle on these. I think these are just gorgeous. Hoping you're digging them as well. So we're going to put those out there. I think I'm going to take the index and the ring finger, for the hearts. I think. I think that's what I'm going to do. I think that's what I was going to do. Oh, this is way too much, but what am I going to do there, you know? It's already done. So, put that there. Try to stay in frame. Try to stay in frame. So I've got my little trusty light here. I'm going to try to shine that on the nails. Give them a quick little flash cure. Then pop them in the lamp for a good, 60 seconds. I put way too much, this is rhinestone gel glue. And I put way too much on the top part. Way too much. It's like running down practically. Okay, so we'll leave that one there. We'll take our other nail. We're going to do the same thing. She also sent me some really cute pink hearts. Some multicolored hearts. Really super cute. Really super cute. I'm loving these hearts, Tammy. So go check out Artsy Fartsy Nails. If I remember, I will leave her link in the description box near the very top. If not, you can find her in my comments. And go subscribe to her channel. Go check it out. She does a lot of nail hacks and a lot of Mystery Mondays, which I just love. Love, 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 love the Mystery Mondays. So, Get a lint-free wipe off my dotting tool really well. That's what I was using to put their hearts on with. Now let's go in for the sugar nail. This is Pink Hollow Sugar Crush. This is something that She Modern used to carry. They do not carry this anymore. And as far as I know, they will not ever be bringing it back. They are into stamping and sticky stamping polish to watercolor. So we're going to take this and rub it in the nail. Put just a little bit more over here. Just a little bit more. We're going to rub this in. I'm going to push this glue, or this into the glue. I feel like I don't have enough right here. Tap, tap, tap. Then I'm going to go through and I'm going to push this into the glue. Tap, tap, tap. I'm going to stick this in the lamp just to give it a 30. I'm going to take my fluffy brush, scrape out my lint tray. Oh, we got some messiness here. Shoot. Clean my mat real quick. Real quick. So again, that was, you can find, I can't remember where you can find other sugar crushes. Probably on AliExpress. You can find where you can do a sugar nail. So let's get some of our nails back out here. I think those are too cute. Now on our other nails, leave those back there. We are going to put some bling and maybe some hearts. Maybe some hearts or some red lips. Maybe just bling. It's hard to say. Hard to say. We're done with those. What are those? These are the red hearts. It's hard to tell if I'm in frame or not. I don't have a mirroring app anymore that works properly. So we're just going to put these randomly. These are probably not all the same size. So wherever I can fish out. Get some littles. I love the littles. I don't think I'm going to put those there. I think I'm going to put some hearts in here though. Just a couple. Just a couple. Oops. Just a couple of these hearts. Whoops. There we go. I have got gel polish all over my hands. Make sure you get that off. That is how you become allergic to it. Popping that in the lamp for a full 60. And top coat the other nail. And repeat. Repeat. Repeat and repeat. It's not big enough. And where did it go? Okay, let's try to... Let's put the smaller ones up here. If I can. Okay, let's see how many I put on here. Ooh, a lot more than I did here. Uno más. And then put these away for another time. Love, love, love those. And I'm going to go in for a heart or two. Just a heart or two. Oops, I almost got upside down. Let's try to get this right side up. There we go. Same with this one. Just turn it around just a little bit. Put that one in for 60. I'm going to pause, clean my mess up. We'll be back. The nails are finito. Alright, we are back. Our nails are finished and out of the lamp. Should have filed those little nubbins off there. I think these are really super cute. Super cute. Should have put this like over there or something, or I don't know, put a heart on it, something that looks so bare, but I love a sugar nail. It is a textured nail. I just love. Let me brush her off. I just love a sugar nail. Anybody that knows me well enough on here knows I love a sugar nail. I think they're super cool. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Valentine's manicure for 2023. It's really sweet. Myself. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos and anything important that may come across my desk. Let's take a moment just to gander at these again. Okay, I love them. I think they are super cute, and I hope you do too. Have yourselves a blessed day. A happy Valentine's Day. And we will see you next time. Thank you.